The power of words, mastering formal writing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to discuss an essential aspect of English language learning, namely formal writing. We'll focus on understanding when and why we should use this type of writing. So, grab your notebooks and let's delve right into it. So, what is formal writing? It is a style of writing that is clear, succinct, and professional. It follows grammatical rules strictly, uses sophisticated vocabulary, and avoids contractions and slang. Formal writing is usually used in professional and academic contexts. Formal writing style isn't something you'll use every day. It is primarily reserved for specific situations. Let's explore some of those. 2.1 Academic writing. Academic writing often demands a formal writing style. This includes dissertations, research papers, essays, and reports. Here, formal writing helps maintain an objective tone and presents information clearly and professionally. 2.2 Business communication. Business communication is another area where formal writing is paramount. This can include formal emails, contracts, reports, or policy documents. The formality helps to keep communication professional and clear, eliminating potential misunderstandings. 2.3 Legal documents. Legal documents, such as contracts, statutes, and court documents, always require a formal tone. Precision, clarity, and strict adherence to legal language are essential to prevent misinterpretation. 2.4 Government and official documents. Government and official documents such as policies, public notices, and legislation also demand a formal writing style. The aim is to ensure clarity, impartiality, and maintain a serious tone. Now, you might be wondering, why bother with formal writing at all? It seems complicated and time-consuming, right? While that might be true, formal writing has several advantages. 3.1 Clarity and precision. Firstly, formal writing style allows for clarity and precision. It forces you to think about your choice of words, sentence structure, and grammar, leading to a well-thought-out and clear message. 3.2 Professionalism. Formal writing conveys a sense of professionalism. It shows that you respect the context of your communication and the people you are communicating with. 3.3 Authority. Lastly, formal writing gives your words authority. It helps you present your points in a structured, logical manner, making your arguments more persuasive and authoritative. That wraps up our discussion on the purpose of formal writing and when to use it. Remember, mastering formal writing is a critical step in becoming a proficient English user, especially in academic and professional settings. I hope this video helped shed light on the topic. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Happy learning and see you in the next video.